Hey guys, Mrs. Coleman here with lesson 10.8. So as we're going through our answers, make sure that you are correcting them where needed. All right, so for number 1, it's already done for us. We know that a CD is somewhat light, so it is going to be measured in grams. Number 2, a boy is a little bit heavier and would take a lot of grams in order to weigh him and judge that mass. So it's going to be a kilogram. And then number 3 is that bag of sugar. We're going to assume that it is full, and that would also be a kilogram. Number 4, we're looking to see and comparing the masses of these two objects using the scale. So the mass of the candle is more than because it is lower down. And then the mass of the watch is the same as because they're at the same level. Number 6, a red ball has a mass that is less than 1 kilogram, and the blue ball has a mass that is 1 kilogram exactly. So if I were to draw very roughly here my red ball, I need to use both my fingers here, and a blue ball, then I can actually then say, well, this is less than 1 kilogram. So I know it's smaller than a kilogram. And this is exactly 1 kilogram. So which one is more? So is the blue ball, I can't talk. Is the mass of the blue ball more or less than the mass of the red ball? Well, seeing as that the blue ball is a whole kilogram and the red ball is less than a kilogram, then the blue ball would have a mass that is more than the red ball. Number 7, Brock's dog is a collie. To find the mass of his dog, should Brock use grams or kilograms? The answer is kilograms. Collies are not huge dogs, but they're also not teensy tiny ones either. So next we have name an object in your home that has a mass of about 1 kilogram. Now remember, if it's just 1 kilogram, it's not super heavy to pick up. So it can be lots of different things, like a gallon of milk, a school book, something like that. All right, so now as we are moving on to page 610, we can look at number 1. When we're measuring 1 grape, we would measure that using a gram instead of a kilogram because it would be small. And then if we're looking for a pony, like a real pony, we would definitely be using a kilogram. For our spiral review, Marcy blew up 24 balloons. She tied the balloons together in groups of 4. Groups of 4. How many groups did Marcy make? Well, if I know that I'm doing 24 divided by 4, that would give me 6 groups. Clark used the order of operations to find the unknown number in 15 minus 12 divided by 3 equals n. What is the value of the unknown number? So remember, we have please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Our P stands for parentheses. Our exponents, remember that we don't do in 3rd grade, but they're where it's kind of what they look like, exponents. Then we have multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So we have to follow this. We don't have any parentheses. We don't have any exponents because we don't do that. So no multiplication, but we do have division. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now we're going to subtract. 15 minus 4 would then equal 11. All right, and then for our number 5 and number 6, which bottle has the most amount of juice if all bottles are the same size? Would that be bottle A? And which one has the least amount?